Yeah, I'm Tiz. Hi, nice to see you all. And
Hi, Giuseppe.
yeah, we are part of Refabricate, which is a collective that focuses on delivering workshops and projects around construction waste.
So as part of that, we're doing some of these workshops for the People's Pavilion the February half-term week, and as they kind of develop their designs, trying to get them sort of focused on sustainability issues. But it was really nice this morning that the students were out, like it's the first time they've seen the space, and it was really nice to see lots of them, they've come up with their like concept designs at the weekend workshops, and now when they're already starting to kind of like make the connections about how it's going to sit in the space and adapt their designs to the conditions here and to the scale of things.
This afternoon we are doing a workshop around materials, so it's actually analysing different types of materials that can be used for the structure in and around the building, the pavilion that they're going to be designing.
Hi, I'm Andy from Scale Rule.
I'm Elena from Scale Rule.
And Scale Rule is a collective of architects, engineers and contractors and designers, and our goal is to bring young people more into the built environments, get them to kind of engage in the world around them and to give them opportunities that they might not have thought they had. So today we've been here to talk to the students about how to bring their ideas into reality, things that we can bring our personal experience as engineers into the process, what kind of materials can they use, what kind of systems can they think about to make their project more stable.
We have also done a little activity to get like a more hands-on experience, and so that they can actually see what we explain, how it applies to real materials and to real structures.
Yes, I think we want them to be engaged in the entire process of the project. So we want them to feel like not just that they've had an idea and it's gone away and somebody's done some stuff with it and it's got built. We want them to feel like they've thought of like engineering, they want to input all the construction, materials,